So I stuffed up, I dropped my laser, I've broken the glass, and I thought I'd better check the laser for calibration. I thought it's a great opportunity to run through how to check your laser for calibration, whether it be at work or at home. So to start with, we're going to want to download a copy of that laser check sheet, which we can click on the link online. We've got the laser model there, and we can put our serial number down next to that. The distance or radius, which we want at least 5 meters. The date, who by, and a little note there, a yearly calibration check for us. We've got our 2 columns for the X and 2 columns for the Y for checking our axis. And finally, there's 2 markings there, so when we first attach that to the wall, we'll just align that up with our laser beam. That's not actually our calibration point, it's just there for reference. Now we've stuck that 5 meters away on a wall from our solid bench that we're working from. We're also going to need a ruler and a pen. Now with this laser, I've turned it on and I'm aiming the X arrow directly at my calibration check sheet. And what I'm going to do is go down there and mark in the X positive column where that laser beam's intercepting. So in the X positive column, we're going to put our ruler across there and mark about 1 centimetre along. So we're going to rotate that laser 180 degrees to bring up the X negative, aiming at our calibration check sheet. Again, we're going to put our ruler and do another mark of around 10 mil of where that laser beam intercepts. Then we rotate that laser 90 degrees, so the Y arrow is aiming at our calibration check sheet. Do another 10 millimetre line, and now we've got the Y positive axis. Rotating the laser 180 degrees on the Y axis, so we can pick up the Y minus. So now we've got the Y negative aiming at the calibration check sheet. We do our last marking across there, and as we can see, we've now drawn a straight line across our calibration check sheet. So we know our laser's within calibration. So we can take that calibration check sheet and file it away in our case, knowing that we've got a record of when we last calibrated the laser. So job's done with that EGL624GM. We've checked it for calibration and we know we're all good. So back to the laser we dropped to start with. If we have a look at what we're dealing with, we'll grab our ruler. You can see that now we've actually drawn a zigzag line showing that that laser is actually out of calibration. It needs to be sent off and get some repair work done to it. Anyway, download your copy of the calibration check sheet from the link online and check your lasers for calibration today. If you have any issues, you can text us through the website or call us on 1800 769 858, and we're more than happy to help get your lasers back to work.